Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to be making the second part of the open source contribution video. So this is the second video. The previous video link is in the description that you can watch it about the open source contribution. So yeah, in the previous video I have shown you that how you can find a project, how you can get into the issues and find the good first issues, and after that how you can make the changes relevant to the good first issues and send a pull request to the to that project. All right, so this is a pull request that I have sent in my previous video, like the renamed the OpenSDS to Soda in 3 files. All right, so I renamed this OpenSDS to Soda in 3 files that I'm going to show you. And once after sending this pull request, a person who requested some changes, he said that hey, thanks for the PR, you will have to verify all the changes made by replacing the occurrence of OpenSDS with Soda. So I have not verified all these changes. I just changed the word, and after that unfortunately you cannot do a global search and replace URLs. That may not be expected. Also the correct usage for Soda is Soda, capital word. All right, so I changed I need to change this from this Soda to capital Soda. So please check my individual commits that he recommended. Like the first one is the contributing.md file. So inside this file he said that this will not work because the website Soda website is incorrect. Additionally, the image link will not work even if the website is correct, as the image may not be there because the image is present by this name, but I was thinking that the image name may be changed from this name to this name, so I changed the image name without taking a look at the image. And this is the website that that should also be like this. All right, so this will not work. The Soda website will not work like this. So Soda foundation like this. If I yeah, so let me just go to the contributing guide, or if I surely let's go to this. Let's open this. Right, instead of OpenSDS, if I write Soda foundation like this, it will work, right? Soda foundation like this. I think that it will work because now this is a Soda foundation, but it is still not working. So don't worry, no problem, but I need to change them from back to this previous condition. All right, so let's go to the contributing guide. So as you can see here that I'm present in the files that were that I modified earlier. So these are the files, and if I show you the branches, you will see that this is a changed word branch that I deleted in my previous video, but it is still present. So how did I recover this? How did I reset it? So I will show you, but before working on this, let's just go to the master branch again. Once I have gone there, let's write git branch, what you can say, git merge, git merge changed words. Now all the changes are merged into the master branch. Now let's delete this branch and show you how you can recover this. All right, git branch changed words like this. So now the branch is now deleted, but let's say if I show you the log, you can see that this is the master branch that is containing this commit. So I need to delete this commit. How can I delete this? I will take this commit. This is the previous commit, right? This is the commit that was created, but this is the previous commit. I will take this commit ID. I will copy this and close this, Control Z, and I will write what you can say, reset like this, reset. So this reset will reset this previous commit. So as you can see here that these are the files that are again in the modification mode. So if I show you, as you can see here that they are appearing again the modification sign, because if I show you git log, you will see that the previous commit is gone. The commit that was containing these 3 files is now gone, and now it is back in the previous stage. So how did I do this? Basically I didn't copy this commit. Instead I copied this previous commit, and by resetting this previous commit it deleted the upper one. All right, so by resetting this previous commit, it deleted this upper one, and once this upper one is deleted, it showed me all the modifications that are present in it. So this is how you can reset it. Now if I want to create another this branch again, I will write a branch like changed words and now this branch is created again. You can see. Now I will go to the git checkout, changed words, and now I will add all these files here in this in this branch. All right, git commit. And what should be the branch commit message? So the commit message could be anything, but I'm just giving this message just for the simplicity purpose in order to show you. So yeah, let's write it like this. All right, so now this branch is containing all these files that I have modified. So now let's take a look at the recommendation that he said that he given to me. So now the first recommendation is that I need to change these files back to the previous position. So how can I do this? So let's say if I want to edit those commits, I don't need to reset it or delete these commits. Instead, what I need to do, I need to edit these commits. So how can I do this? I will write git log again, and this is the commit that I have done recently, and this is the previous commit. Just pick the previous commit in order to edit it. All right, so this is the previous commit, but I'm editing this one. All right, so how can you do this? So just took a previous commit, close it, and write git rebase I. So rebase I, the previous commit. All right, so let's paste it and press enter on this. You can see that this has given me this commit that I have that is present, that is relevant to the changed word, what you can say, branch. All right, so I need to write, instead of pick, I will write edit. So now let's write click on Control O and then Control X. All right, so now this branch, this commit is going to be editable. So as you can see here, that rebasing changed words. So now the changed word that I have committed it, you can edit it now. So let's edit it. The first thing that he recommended me is to change it like this one, open SDS image. So let's go to the image part where it is. You can see here that this is the image. So I need to write www.OpenSDS, and similarly this is the logo, OpenSDS. So this is the first modification that I have done. All right, and now once it is done, let's scroll down, and you can see here that we do not use the Travis CI anymore. This is outdated and can be removed. So go report card and build status. So where is go report card? This is go report card and build status. So we don't, he said that we don't need it. So let's remove this, can be removed. All right, so let's remove it. There is no need for it. Let's scroll down, and now the GitHub repository soda will not work. So let's go to the, he recommended that if I don't delete this, I can change this from back to the OpenSDS, but I have already deleted this go report card. So there is no need for me to work on this. Use soda instead of soda. So where is this? A code style. So let's jump in the code style. Where is this code style? Yeah, here you can see. This is the code style. Please follow this style to make the soda easy. So this should be soda in capital letter like this. And now you saw this is done, and the coding style suggested by the Golang is used in the soda. This should also be soda. All right, I have changed it because this is the case. As you can see, please follow this style, soda. And now the next thing is the what version of open. So this should be also be soda in capital letter. So let's check it. What version of env? So where is this? What version? Where is this one is present? Contributing.md, a great report issues. What version? Yeah, this is, as you can see here, soda. What version of E is soda? And now let's go more. So erase your soda issue. So now let's write like this. Where is this proposed PRs? So where is this proposed PRs? So as you can see here that this is the link that I need to write, raise your as you can see that this link that they have given. So let's give this link. All right, and once this is done, let's scroll down, and the next thing is the contributing guide, raise your PR. All right, and this is the next link. It is a new feature. So where is this new feature? It's a new feature. As you can see here that this link should also be changed. So where is this link? Let's take this link, and after taking this link, let's remove this and paste it like this. All right, so yeah, I think this is done now. So let's save this, and now the next thing is this contributing guide. So here is another, the link can be removed, I think. Here are the PRs. The link can be removed. Where is this? What you can say, here are the PRs. So let's copy this, find them, Control F. Here are the PRs. So yeah, this is the Soda Foundation pulls. Where is this pull? I need to find the pulls like this, or the pull should be like this. Let's visit this pull, whether it is working or not. Let's check it. It is working slow for me, maybe due to the internet connection. Let's work on other issues. I will work on this, but first of all, let's skip this. Yeah, this is all fine now. It is taking some time, so let's skip this first. And now this is the make file. Let's go to the make file. I will work on this, but just wait for this. This is saying that soda, so this should be the soda, a capital. All right, so let's write the soda in capital. And yep, and the next thing is the readme. Inside this readme, I need to change this back to soda. All right, so as you can see here, this should not be changed from OpenSDS, so I need to change this. Let's go to the readme file, and again let's scroll down. As you can see here that I have changed it already. So I will write OpenSDS, and this should also be OpenSDS like this. This is one fine now. And now if I take a look at the what you can say, pull request, this is not that pull request that was requiring. So now go back to the contributing guide again, because these files are done now. This issue is remaining that I need to fix. Like here are the PRs. This link can be removed, I think. Yeah, let's see if I write like this, Soda Foundation, maybe it will find. Yeah, these are showing me the closed link. So let's copy this. So I just changed the Soda Foundation instead of Soda. As you can see here that this link can be removed, so I changed this from Soda to Soda Foundation. So yeah, here are the PRs. So here, where are the PRs? As you can see here. Yeah, there, here you can see. Let's change this like this. All right. So yeah, these are the things that I have modified. This is also the file that I have modified, and this is also the file that I have edited and modified. So now what I need to do, these are the modified files, and the next thing that I'm going to do is to write git add dot and then git commit. Instead of writing what you can say message, I will write git commit amend. So this will commit them into the existing branch. All right, so there is no need for me to create a new branch. Instead, it will commit all the changes into the existing branch. So I will write the amend sign for it. All right, so let's press enter on this. Now you can see that this is the same commit message that is showing me. So I will not change it. Instead, I will write click on the Control O and exit. Control X for the exit. Now once it is done, I will write git rebase and then continue. So now it is successfully rebased and all the changes are now edited. So this is how you can edit the commit even if you don't want to delete it. All right, so this is how you can edit it. First of all, rebase it by taking the previous commit ID. Don't take the present commit ID. Instead, take the previous commit ID that is present. Like if I show you, you can see if you want to edit this commit, you need to pick this ID. All right, once you pick this ID, after that let's write commit git rebase and I and put that commit ID here like this. All right, once this ID is put, after that you will be able to edit that commit and make the modifications in it. And once these modifications are done, let's write a git add or dot and then git commit amend, and then what you can say, the next thing is to do git rebase continue like this. So this is how you can edit that commit. So I hope now this is done. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is to show you the branches. Now you can see that the changed branches is still present. Let's write git checkout master, and now let's write git push origin changed words with new updates. All right, so this is how it will done. So let's wait for this. It will take me some time to push the data into this changed word branch, and once it is done, I will be able to send a pull request there. Now you can see that it is asking me to force this because it is rejected. So I will write -f for the force. All right, so let's force this. Now you can see that the changes are forced. So if I scroll up and show you again, refresh this. So the internet connection is slow, sorry for that, but if I refresh this, you can see that the changes will be again what you can say, as you can see that it is again checking all these things. Why? Because I have sent another pull request. You can see here that this is the forced change branch into this just now. All right, so now this is how it will be done. And yeah, so yeah, that's it for now. So now the next thing that I need to do is to just go to this browser and write this sodafoundation.io, because there is an event that is going on, and it will provide you the opportunities like to get $2,000 worth of courses and get mentorship from the Michael Cade or Bart Farrell, the Michael Cade, who is known for his 90 days of DevOps. And you will get amazing prizes and the internship program also. So this is the event that is happening on 18 September 2023 in Bilbao, Spain, plus it is virtual also. So the event is just one day by the name of Data Vision 23. So it's a free event. Please make sure to join this event, and you will get amazing insights from this. There will be multiple speakers coming in, and I have separate playlist for this Soda Foundation in which I have uploaded many videos and still uploading it, so that you can watch them and get more insights from it. So yeah, that's it for now. So I hope you understood and liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.